Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to claim 2000 Litecoin on Trust Wallet. Okay, so if you want to claim this airdrop, please always make sure you have a Trust Wallet account and also small amount of BNB, so you're going to pay the transaction fee. Okay, so right now I left the link to this airdrop now at the description box below. So I actually left two links there. The first link is going to bring you to my Telegram channel, while the second link is going to take you to the airdrop's website directly. So if you want me to assist you on claiming this airdrop, you have to click the first link, which is going to bring you to my Telegram channel. So once you have been brought to my Telegram channel, just go ahead and copy this airdrop link. This is Litecoin Black. So go ahead and copy it like this. And once you have copied it, go ahead and open your Trust Wallet account. Okay, so once you have opened your Trust Wallet account, the first thing that you have to do here right now is to click on your dApps. When you click on dApps, you're going to be brought to this page. So over here now, you just have to paste the link here on your search bar like this. Once you have pasted the link here, go ahead and click on your enter button. When you click on enter, you'll be taken to the Litecoin Black digital website. Okay, so this is it. The first thing here is to click on this back button here. When you click on it like this, you're going to be brought back to this page. So right now, just go ahead and click on this Ethereum sign up here. When you click on this Ethereum sign, go ahead and choose smart chain again. Right, so right now you'll be brought to this transaction dApp. So go ahead and click on connect. So right now you just have to scroll down a little bit, scroll down and click on claim airdrop now. Okay, so when you click on claim airdrop now, you'll be taken to this page, this smart contract call page. So you guys, that this airdrop is going to charge you 0.003 BNB for this transaction. Okay, so and the next thing here is to click on approve if you have enough BNB to approve this transaction. So once you have done that, 2000 Litecoin is going to be sent to your Trust Wallet account instantly. Okay, so right now let us go back to our Trust Wallet account. You can see over here smart contract call executed. So right now, if you want to add this token to your Trust Wallet portfolio, just go ahead and click on this icon here. When you click on this icon here, scroll down and click on add custom token. Okay, so once you have clicked on add custom token, first thing here is to change this Ethereum network to smart chain. Click on it and go for smart chain. So after that, the next thing here is to enter the contract address, the name, the symbol and decimal of the token. So I left all these details on my Telegram channel, so go back to my Telegram channel to get the details. So once you have gone back to my Telegram channel, just scroll down a little bit and you're going to find the contract address here. Just go ahead and copy this and open your Trust Wallet account again. So over here, just paste the contract address here like this. Once you have pasted it here, you can see that the name is going to be added automatically. The name here is Litecoin Black, the symbol is LBK and decimal is 18. So after that, guys, just go ahead and click on done. So when you click on done like this, 2000 Litecoin is going to be transferred to your Trust Wallet account. You can see it over here. This is Litecoin Black. Okay, so we have successfully claimed the airdrop right now, and I'm going to show you how you can accumulate more of this token on airdrop just here on Trust Wallet. Okay, so if you want to accumulate more of this Litecoin Black token, I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, so just go ahead and visit your Trust Wallet portfolio again and just go ahead and click on smart chain. Okay, so when you click on smart chain, you're going to be brought to this page. Okay, so go ahead and copy your smart chain address like this and return to your Trust Wallet account and click on dApps. Okay, so when you click on dApps, visit the Litecoin Black page again. So once you have done that, you'll be brought back to the Litecoin Black digital website again. So right now you just have to scroll down and over here now you just have to first of all clear up this address first of all by clicking on it and deleting the old address. Okay, so right now you just have to replace it with your new BNB smart chain address by pasting it here. Okay, so this is it over here. Once you have pasted it, go ahead and click on generate link. Okay, so you can see over here that my referral link has been copied successfully to my clipboard. I'm just going to click OK. So when you click OK, you are going to see that you are going to accumulate more Litecoin Black by inviting your friends, and you're going to get 70% of whatever they earn. Okay, so just go ahead and invite your friends and you're going to get 70% Litecoin and also 30% BNB per referral that claims this airdrop using your referral link. Okay, so you can start this airdrop is going to end after 20 days. Okay, and this airdrop is available on Metamask and also Trust Wallet using your smartphone and PC. Okay, so that is how it simply works. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, consider giving it a thumbs up. Okay, so you can see that this token or coin over here, the listing price for all exchanges is going to be 0.2. okay, so let us do the calculation. They're offering us 2000 and this should be the listing price is 0.2 times 2000, so this token is offering us $300. when it gets listed. Okay, so you're going to be getting $400 for holding this token when it gets listed. Okay, so go ahead and claim the airdrop right now if you haven't, and always remember you need to pay small amount of BNB as transaction charge. Okay, so claim it right now, and don't forget to join my Telegram channel for daily updates about legit airdrops and also how to make money online with cryptocurrency. Okay, and if this is the first time you are visiting the channel, consider subscribing and turn on the notification bell to be updated every single day on how to claim airdrops and other stuff. Okay, so thanks for watching and stay safe.